The death toll amid monsoon rains in Himachal Pradesh between June 20th to August 16th has reached 261, as per the HPSDMA. Of these, 136 people were killed in rain-related incidents such as landslides, flash floods, drowning, electrocution and house collapses, while 125 died in road accidents. The Indian Meteorological Department has issued a yellow alert for heavy rains in Chamba and Kangra districts of Himachal Pradesh for Monday. Besides, the areas are likely to witness thunderstorms, lightning, and low visibility due to fog. As many as 472 roads, including national highways, continue to remain closed due to landslides and rains across the state. Chamba Kangra National Highway blocked due to multiple landslides and flash floods triggered by heavy rainfall in the Kullu region. At least 15 panchayats were cut off due to a landslide near Pagal Nala on the autoroute Largi Sange Road in the district, PTI reported. Over 1,000 electricity distribution transformers have been damaged across Himachal Pradesh due to natural disasters caused by heavy rainfall. Over 116 water supply schemes have been disrupted in various districts, including 44 in Mandi, 41 in Kangra, 14 in Hamirpur, 9 in Kullu, 4 in Shimla, 3 in Lahore and Spiti and 1 in Solan. The Meteorological Department has forecast continued heavy rainfall in the state and issued a yellow alert for August 18, 21, 22, and 23 in several parts of the state. As per the forecast, several areas are likely to receive heavy to very heavy rainfall in isolated spots, along with light to moderate rain in most parts of the state. In the past 24 hours, Himachal Pradesh has witnessed heavy to very heavy rain at some locations and light to moderate rainfall in many others. Katala village in Mandi district recorded the highest rainfall at 120 millimeters, followed by Kangra with 110 millimeters. The death toll amid monsoon rains in Himachal Pradesh between June 20th to August 16th has reached 261, as per the State Disaster Management Authority HPSDMA. Of these, 136 people were killed in rain-related incidents such as landslides, flash floods, drowning, electrocution and house collapses, while 125 lives were lost in road accidents. As many as 472 roads, including 2 national highways, continue to remain closed due to landslides and rains acros.